More than teaching, we are conducting a workshop on design thinking. So the main difference with traditional engineering or design techniques is that now the user is in the focus of the problem, and instead of being the designer in the focus of the project.
We visit the island, we have enough time to visit all the places. Also we have time to communicate with people, and I like it because you improve your communicate skills, can see different points of view. It was great.
The experience was quite amazing. We reached people to talk. We get a lot of information to make a new project. We use this information to reunite people.
I like it. We learn about the design thing, the brainstorm, and these tools can improve your level of acting in a group.
Your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear.
So we don't try to adapt a real-world project into a canonical problem and then add solutions, but we look for define a real-world problem and provide new solutions, new ideas for these users.